You can now create speed ramp clips like this using start and end images. Here's how it's done. Head next to Animation Selection and open Creative Mode. You've got two paths. Pick a ready-made effect from the right, or write your own custom prompt for animation. Let's start with the ready-made options, but first, I'll open the end image block and drop in the second frame. Speed ramps need both a start and an end image. That's what gives the AI a clear path to animate between. Now the prompt, I can use a ready-made one. Here's the speed ramp preset. Or I can pick something like aerial transitions, which has its own prompt baked in. Use either or write your own. For this one, I'll use a simple custom start-end image prompt I made earlier. Then I pick the clip length. Shorter clips mean faster transitions between the two images. I'll set this 1 to 5 seconds and hit animate. It renders 2 to 3 minutes, and here's the finished clip. Want to try a new version? Open Creative Mode again. Change the prompt, or try with different duration. Under recent prompts, you'll find every prompt you've used. Review the outputs and save your favorites for next time. Speed ramps work great for both exteriors and interiors. The closer the two frames are visually, the better the result. Head to Amplifiles and try it yourself today.